Welcome back, people. We are back with some amazing Windows 10 shortcuts that will make your life easier. Without further ado, let's get started. Enable Clipboard. To enable Clipboard, open the settings by pressing the keys Windows and I. Search for Clipboard in the search bar and select the Clipboard settings. Enable the Clipboard by toggling the radio button. Capture snippets. If you are like us, who takes a lot of snips from the internet, then learning how to capture snips will make your workflow very easy. To capture snippets, press the keys Windows, Shift and S. Drag until the point you want, and release the mouse key. The snip gets saved in the clipboard. Then go to the application of your choice and paste the snip by pressing the keys Ctrl and V. Arrange windows. If you use a lot of applications simultaneously, it becomes a hassle to switch between them and use them. To avoid that, use the keys Windows and right arrow twice. This sends the active window to the right and gives a selection of apps on the left for you to choose from. Selecting one allows you to work on both the apps simultaneously. Tell us in the comments what happens when we press the keys Windows and left arrow once. Creating virtual desktops. There may come occasions when people might peep into your work dangerously. To avoid such instances, let's create a virtual desktop by pressing the keys Ctrl, Windows, and D. To switch between virtual desktops, press the keys Ctrl, Windows and right arrow to go to the next virtual desktop. Pressing Ctrl, Windows and left arrow brings you back to the previous virtual desktop. Navigate Taskbar Apps. If you want to easily switch between apps in the taskbar, then press the keys Windows and the number 1 to 9. The number depends on the app in the taskbar you want to switch to. File Explorer. If you want to easily open the File Explorer, then simply press the keys Windows and D. Pressing those keys multiple times will open multiple file explorers. Rename files and folders. To easily rename files and folders, simply press the key F2. Pressing F2 will enable you to rename files and folders. Access Clipboard. To access the clipboard, simply press the keys Windows and V. Anything that you copy or cut will be saved in the clipboard. Thank you for watching. Comment down your favorite shortcut. And if you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button.